Tranquil country living is all yours on more than 5 rolling acres. Here you'll enjoy a gorgeous home, privacy, city views, wooded trails and fruit trees, plus a large 3-bay barn. A long private circle drive leads to the spacious home of more than 3,100 square feet, complete with multiple entertaining spaces. Heading inside, discover open concept living on this main level with 2 living areas. The huge, newly remodeled kitchen features granite countertops, soft-close cabinets, a 10-foot cooktop island with gorgeous columns, stainless steel appliances, stylish lighting, and a coffee bar. It opens to the inviting dining area. This 4-bedroom home has plenty of space and tons of natural light. On the lower level, you'll find a large bonus or family room. More bedrooms. And a flexible space for exercise, an office, or playroom. Take in the beauty of the fruit trees from one of the many decks while you enjoy limitless possibilities for just relaxing and connecting with nature or entertaining. Explore the wooded trails down to the seasonal creek and waterfalls. The barn has endless potential with 2-horse stalls, a tack stall, feed area, 3-car bays, and plenty of room to store your boat, RV, or other toys. Don't miss this incredible oasis, just minutes from shopping and a short commute to Portland. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.